Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lindsay, and I have another junk journal flip through to share with you. This is a junk journal that I finished, and I used a kit from Seneca Pond Crafts, so I'm really excited to share that with you. Right before I do, I want to share a very quick happy mail that I thought you guys would enjoy. It is from Green Apple Gifts on Etsy. And she sent me two things that are in her shop, as well as just a nice little gift. These really pretty music note stamp that I'm really excited to use in my journals. But I just wanted to share these with you because she has these in her shop. So her link is down below. There's Green Apple Gifts. And she has lace bundles. So these are the ones she sent me. But you can check out her shop to see what is available. These are so pretty. I love this one. And then this one, that is so gorgeous. I love these different detailed type laces. So she sent me those. And then she has like these little packets that have like journal cards in them. So I'll show you that quickly and then we'll get right to the flip through. And she wrote me a little note, but here we go. Here's some her little journal cards. Look at how cute. Those are so cute. That would be beautiful on the cover of a journal. So just an example of, oh, that's cute. It's like a little booklet in there. So please go check out her shop. She has really cute items, very, very talented. I love her stuff. So thank you to Green Apple Gifts. All right, let's get to this flip through. So the kit I used is called Feminine Wiles, and it's from Seneca Pond Crafts. And I used parts of the kit throughout. I didn't use everything, but I used a lot of it. So this is a 5.5 by 8.5 single signature, 80 pages. One thing that I did differently that I really liked this time was when I stitched it in, I used that number 10 crochet thread that I talk about all the time. Sorry about my voice. It's still not back 100%. I doubled it and did a double layer. I don't know if that's the right word, for the stitching, and I feel like it's a lot more secure and I really like it. The cover is a cardstock I got from Tuesday Morning, and then I covered it with this fabric that I'm pretty sure this came from my sister-in-law, Rachel. My mom gave it to me when she came to visit, said Rachel set it aside for me, and it's just really pretty and feminine. So I covered that, and instead of leaving ragged edges this time, I folded it over and stitched around the edges. The closure is just this pink ribbon, and it slips right out. I just tucked it in through the stitching there. So on the cover, I just have some floral paper here in the background, this journal card from the kit, this piece of cardstock, and I left it blank so that you can write whatever you want on it, and some little rhinestones. So on the inside, you can see where I folded over the fabric, and I left it just like that. This is the cardstock. So I have a journal card here, Live a Good Story, and then a bridge scorecard that I stamped a chandelier on. There's a little bit of stenciling in the background. This is one of the tags from the kit. I just stitched around it, added some lace. The pages are really unique. And there are also instructions for making like a flip book, I think, with the kit. I did not do that. I just made a traditional junk journal. But I hope my lighting is okay. It's really weird lighting because it seems early morning. I get these, there we go, it's a little better. Bright sunlight comes right in. But they're really pretty and shaped, so I cut them out. And I added a Tim Holtz sticker, get the original and genuine. There are background pages as well, so I printed the background page here. I've done stenciling on the coffee dyed edges. I added a cross-stitch book page with some trim that I got at my local quilt shop. This is one of the journal cards I glued on there, a little lace tab. This is just some paper I had, cardstock, and I've done some stamping. This is a graphic 45 stamp. And then I clipped on a little punch out, and this is a tag from the kit. Another page and background page from the kit. I have some floral book pages. Added some lace to this cardstock. A floral book page. And I've also taken some shaped scissors and cut the edges of some of the pages. This was from like a calendar. I got it in some Happy Mail. I think it might have come from Joanne, but I could be wrong. So this is a journal card from a paper pad, from a paper pad that I had. And then this is one of the little booklets in the kit. I just added the storyteller, did some stenciling on the inside. And this is one of the tall envelopes from the kit. Stitched it up and then added this double-sided tag. I put the paper clip on the top to make it really easy to pull out of the envelope. A book page, and then I added this little cut apart from a paper pad I was working with as a little tab. This is a flap of an envelope. I added washi and a black flower. This was a belly band from the kit, but I just used it to cover the glue part of the envelope flap. Another page from the kit. This is from my Abandoned Beauty kit. I thought it went well. Really pretty colors. Little pocket and a tag. That's from the kit too. Postcard from the kit. And there are more postcards that I did not use. There's a lot in this kit. So I folded over my Abandoned Beauty page. I made a sewn pocket. And then there's a journal card. And then this little pull-out is from the kit. This is a belly band from the kit, so you can tuck things in there, and then I just added a flower. This is the other side of that envelope, and I cut apart some florals from a little floral book I had. And I cut the edges with those scissors. So these are great for sticking in pockets, collage. You could back them and use them as journal cards. Lots of different options. And then here's the other side. I got this in Happy Mail. It's like a collaged or Mod Podged envelope. I thought was beautiful. Tag from the kit. Another tag from the kit. This was cut out of that floral book. The other side of that floral calendar. This is a Tim Holtz stamp. This is from the kit as well. I turned it into a pocket and put a little journal card with a tab on there. Floral book pages. Belly band from the kit with a large tag in there. I added to be preserved. Done some butterfly stamping. This is from the kit too. It flips open. You can do more journaling. It says True Beauty. This is also from the kit. I stitched around it and glued it on this book page. This is a collage that Joanne made, Junk Journal Treasures on Etsy. Really beautiful. This was from the kit, and that's the back. So 80 pages. I think it is really pretty. I absolutely loved making it. It was just one of those, I needed to make a journal. If you're a journal maker and you run an Etsy shop and do YouTube videos and you have a lot going on, sometimes you forget to just make a journal, and the joy it brings to just make a complete journal is just amazing. So thank you for watching this video. This is available for sale. If you click the link below, it'll take you directly to the listing, and I hope that you enjoy it.